So as you guys can see from right here, this is the brand new one. I got the set of 4 on eBay for about 65 bucks, and I went to O'Reilly's and AutoZone and they were charging me around 200 bucks for all 4, like 220. This is the old one, the 21-year-old motor mount. That was crazy as hell. But simply I jacked up the engine slightly from right there. Let me show you guys. Right there, I used a piece of wood because I didn't want to damage anything. And then you got all these bolts. I know it's not a good idea to have all these bolts right here, but YOLO. So these are the short ones are from the motor mount down here. You can see there's 1, 2, and then the third one's down there, and then the 3 long ones are from right here. So I just put this to the side. The long ones is the one that goes across the motor mount and the plate. So let me go ahead and show you, and I'm gonna put it back real quick. So there you guys have it. Pretty easy install, super easy. I did this in less than 10 minutes. So if you're a beginner, don't be afraid. All you gotta do, you have to loosen these 2 up, loosen the middle one. Once you loosen it up, you want to jack up the car. This is what I did right there. Jack it up a little bit. Now that I have everything bolted up, I get to put it down. Just like that. So as you just saw, guys, it's pretty easy to install, straightforward. This is the old one, so you guys see how messed up it is. The next video is gonna be me replacing the one side on the side. I think this is engine mount, right? And the other one's a transmission mount. And then the very last one, because I don't want to deal with that one right now, I will do the rear motor mount on that side, on the intake, because you're gonna have to take off a lot of stuff. So there you guys have it. Easy install. You guys found it simple and practical. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later. Peace.